Okay, zombie siege. Tayo yung zombie ata. Sila
Parang
yung
parang ang version ng Minecraft na to ano,
grabe.
1.7.4.
Alpha.
Alpha. Oh. Yun yung bat. Tinan mo kasi yung bato.
Yung cobblestone, tsaka yung grass.
Kita yung ano. Yung cube.
Yung cube.
Skybox.
Yung skybox.
Ay, oo
Yung
nga.
cube. Tawag ko dun yung cube. Oh no. Ayun, kala ko di maglo-load.
Kala ko crush eh.
Sana lahat ng gamit nasa start. Wow! Walang gamit.
MP5.
Kanya-kanyang spawn. Okay.
Dalawa lang kami ni coach dito.
Ay, nakuha ko yung MP5.
Okay, yung maganda yan. I like it.
No intro, pero maganda pa naman. Maganda siya.
But why you put the invisible wall? Aray ko. Ooh, puppies. Kala ko axe yun eh. Sa-realize ko napakaliit naman ang axe na yun. Hindi dali iron oh. Kaya naglalaro na tayo ng Minecraft. Oh.
Wala tayong pickaxe.
Pero may
Yung
grabe,
Advance
no?
na.
Tignan mo
Yeah,
yung grabe,
yeah.
no?
Kaya na ano din sa texture. Ako kahit anong version, basta Minecraft tawag ko.
Pati yung...
Yung gravel, mukha lang.
May tunnel dito.
Is there secrets? May secret. Si secret? I found secrets. Bakit sa tingin ko secret? Ay. Hindi yata secret. Dito secret.
Can
Ano
we
yun?
stop shooting each other?
Hindi yun secret.
Hindi.
Eh, dito.
Sa baba. Ala! Ba't ako pa naka-activate?
Y'all get ready now.
Yung ladder dyan, yung iron bars. Forward or right? This way or that way? I'll go this way. Move to boat. Ang inang inaw.
Get to the boat!
Get to the
Your ass is
boat.
on the boat!
Ano to? Wait lang.
Get on the boat!
Ah,
Run to the boat!
pwede namang hindi pumunta sa boat eh.
Get to the boat! Everyone
Oh,
onto the boat!
yeah. Gago. Oh.
Wala, bilis.
Nalublob ako sa tubig.
I ever tell you about the time my buddy Keith told me that he was picked up by some little green men and that
Yung sala.
Hey, look out!
Natutuwa.
Mag-idle ka Magre-reset kasi yung timer pag nag-idle ka. Wala kahit dyan, pwede ka mag-idle. Oh my god. On.
Anyone?
Aray!
Maglulod ako.
Ikaw mag-idle ng idle ka lang.
Kasi na Pwede kaya mag-baptize?
Saan dumaan yung boat? Hindi. Hindi ka dito sa ladder? I don't know.
TNT exploding in 5 seconds.
What?
Antayin ko na lang kayo. Si Rochelle.
Nalunod yan.
Sa pa niya. Ah, yun eh, kita ko.
They put a hurting on you.
I had no idea.
Nope. Ba't palalagot na naman ako sa tubig?
Thanks, coach.
Homer!
Wala.
Alice, come on, man.
Wala na.
Oh, naku.
Ah, dito dumaan yung boat. Ah, guys, temple
I
run.
have to heal.
Uy, tinan yung bricks. TNT.
May kulay blue brick. What the heck?
Ah, pipindutin tapos may
May
fish
emerald
na.
oh. Times 3.
Emerald dito.
Wait, may secret ba kayo? Snowy na ganitong kasimple, may secret.
Ah, huwag ka magpapa... Na-stuck ako.
Down. Eh, gago ka, run!
Watch out!
Boog. Safe house? What the fuck? Ang ilang pinto na yan.
What?
Oh, to the Ender World. Ender World.
What?
Ender
Girl,
pearl.
I
To the underground. Ano tawag?
I wasn't thinking.
Nether.
Nether. Ah, Nether lang kasi,
Come on now,
ano eh.
for 1 minute,
Nasa isip
we
ko.
all pay the price.
Ako naman, nether pearl.
Ender World. Ender World. Oy, castle. Baka naman fortress to. O hindi, may castle sa... Or yun ba yung sa simula? Yung castle?
Pasok yung token.
May castle sa thumbnail.
Oh, what? Na-teleport na lang bigla. Tapos bawal na
Hey, where
bumalik.
is everybody?
Hindi na pwede bumalik.
Ay. Oh,
Di ba bawal?
ano, hindi.
Hello.
What? Teleport nga.
First
Instant,
aid.
para tayo naka-creative.
That's
eh.
what I'm talking about.
Welcome to the Nether Realm. Melee daw, binigyan tayo ng melee.
Diamond sword, pwede na.
Grabbing the gun.
Diamond sword. Kailangan ko lang wooden axe.
Ayun, nasunog yung zombie. Nahulog sa lava.
Oh man.
Ano yan?
It's the barfing
You
one.
guys. Oh, you're the man, Ellis. You are the
We got
man.
guns.
Akit na tayo. Uy, yan eh.
Kaya,
Yan,
Taka
doon tayo.
sino
Ikaw ako may anong balls.
Got me.
Whoa! Hindi to Minecraft.
anong hindi ito Minecraft?
Spear
May,
pa.
may circle.
Akit tayo dito.
Ano nandito?
Dito, dito.
Lang.
Akit.
Ibay lang.
May pipe bomb pala sa Minecraft.
Ito isa pang portal. Let's go! Whoa! Oh, ito pwede akong bumalik. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoop.
Oh, may battery.
Wow,
Good luck.
look at this.
Wow, look at the torch. Kung may pinakita ang player na Minecraft ng 2011 o 2013, ganitong apoy. Super realistic.
Super realistic.
Wait lang. Yan. Come on. Baba pa. Yan.
That one's mine.
Ooh, my chest. Meron,
Ammo here.
play some music. Narinig ba kayo?
N.O.
Hindi ko alam yung music.
Ay, masisira.
Wala, nagsara. Ay, tanga
I
na.
am in
What?
love with this.
Shotgun for me.
Ay, ito, may ladder.
Ano to? Opening. Ay, nako.
Opening in your... Aray! May ladder sa likod. Vote! Tara, vote tayo.
No.
Vault.
Vote!
Vault.
Pata yung vote. We are Getting the treasure.
May stylus ng ano,
Bad guy.
glass.
What?
Freaking jockey's around.
Hit the tent. Open you.
What?
Ah, okay. Circle back.
O nga no. Fuck's sake. Shortcut lang ba?
Shortcut pa balik.
Door opening in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Ay, hello!
You were giving a
Really come! Ano, minecart?
crazy legs.
Uy, creeper! Oh man!
Spider.
Oh man! Ay, gago! Ah! Ano? Aray!
Nabangga ng
Aray,
spider.
Ay! Bruh. Patay ako. Tiga ako yung puno!
Apoy, apoy.
Stuck na oh.
Sa kanyang kakaguhan. Aray.
Hey, keep shooting! Keep shooting!
Ang sumayaw. Uy!
Gonna lay there all
Ako
day.
to.
Give it to me
Careful.
straight, Doc.
Smoker.
Likod, 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 likod.
I got it. Gun. Bye, Nick.
Grim shit we got ourselves into.
Ang cute ng spider. Ang liit.
Maliit ba yan?
Oh, late yan.
Uy, oh no.
Breakable door.
Defend the castle daw. No, I
Get
don't
your
wanna
ass
snipe.
over here and help me.
Wala laman yan.
Hey, this was a mistake.
Ah, yun
Okay.
ito.
Hey, coach. Wait a sec. You know what?
Ano si
Just
siya?
got me
Give me a
thinking.
minute. Gotta
should
heal.
totally make-
No, Ellis.
Cover me. I'm gonna pack
If you
myself
don't
up.
mind, I'm gonna take this first aid kit here.
Oh, explosive pati incendio.
Girl.
Tingnan mo yung ano, mob spawner.
Dang.
Ang ano. Defend closed gate. Defend the castle gates. Oh my god.
They're coming.
Oh my god! Defend the gates!
Hot bomb all the way.
Late mo na ba?
Okay na. Eh, defended the gate.
Gago pa ka, ba't mo ginawa yun?
Don't you leave me now.
Ano, ginawa mo?
Nagpaipit sa
Hands
pinto.
up.
Wala pa naman
Where?
tayo, DP.
Walang dipid.
Ah, shit. Oh.
Wait, may door. May ano yung tower. Pwedeng putan.
Oh.
May ladder?
Ellis, settle down.
Wala atang gamit.
Shot me.
Ano laman nito?
Wala.
Ang ina ko lang laman.
May ladder pero
Nonsense lang.
mine.
Bakit tayo?
Alam ko. Lamay tubig. Saan kayo dadaan?
Oh, of course. Wala tayong ano.
Mag-idol ko yun. Ayun na, ayun na. Ina ko. Hunter, hunter!
Sons of bitches.
Oh, what nito?
Son of a bitch.
Ano,
Spawn niya ng ano.
Keep running.
Ammo here.
Son of a
What the fuck?
bitch.
Nilalagyan na wood. Siguro may minecart sa kabila.
Yung ibang chest hindi nabubuksan. Ah! May ibang ina-parkour no.
Hindi, baka balik kayo dun sa, ano, inaling mo space.
Hindi, ito na yung minecart.
Andiyan na?
Oh,
Be
dito
a
na.
hawk is a boomer.
Kala ko dadaan pa dun sa likod eh. Wow, what a nice minecart. Naglalaro tayo ng Unrailed.
Yun na.
Tapos, teka.
All aboard. Shit, all aboard. Get to the boat.
What is this? Papatayin pa ba yung tank?
Oh no.
How you like that?
What are we gonna do?
Patay mo yung tank. Nalaglag? Hindi. Oh, yun naman.
Ano tanga nahulog? Ay hindi.
I'm down.
Loot launch.
Help me out.
Nuke launch?
Ha?
Help. Help.
Ano ginawa mo?
Loot launch.
Nag-missile strike siya. What? Kumaya, patay tayo lahat. Zombie Siege. 16 minutes. Ay, ito na. What's the status quo?
$799 damage.
On sale. Eh, 64 ako. Oh.